Good afternoon. It is Friday afternoon, and my name is Craig Wheeler, and I'm the town manager. I'm here with other staff from the town of Raymond to brief everybody on the pending storm, Hurricane Sandy. To my left, Chief Pratt. To his left, Public Works Director Pat Bauer. To my right, Acting Superintendent of Schools Ellen Small. And to her right, Chief David Salois of the Raymond Police Department. We're here to brief you regarding the status of the pending storm and the emergency preparation that the town is undertaking. Kevin, if you could walk us through what your EOC command is doing, please.
Okay, we've had a couple of meetings. The state of New Hampshire's had an EOC meeting, and we've been on some conference calls with them. They're advising at this time that the storm could be coming. The actual direction is not known exactly at this time, but we are going to have high winds and high rains from it. It's a good idea to have your generators fueled. The gas stations in town are making sure that they get loads of gas coming in, so there'll be plenty of fuel, so get everything fueled up that you need to do. It's a good idea anyways for this time of the year to pick up your lawn furniture. Any high winds could cause a problem with that, or anything in your yard that could blow around. Anybody who's ever had water in your basement, it's a good idea to make sure your sump pumps are working and plugged in case of the impending rain that we're going to get. It's also enough time right now for Saturday and even Sunday morning to take down dead limbs or even dead trees that are close to your house. As always, watch your local weather station to get the most up-to-date weather reports. And during power outages, call your power company immediately when your power goes out, and call them every 12 hours so that they know that your power is out. And I think those simple precautions are a good idea for any kind of a storm, but for this storm coming up, they're particularly important.
Thank you, Kevin.
Yes.
Ellen, if you could address some of the school issues for us.
Yes. What we're looking for is if the storm track heads our way, then there will be a school cancellation on Monday, and if it does get canceled, you will receive an alert now on your phone, and then it will also be broadcast on Channel 9, Channel 22, and then also on the radio stations that you would normally get on your radio.
Thank you. Pat Bauer, could you address some of the public safety issues with our roads?
Sure. I would advise residents, in the case of any significant flooding, to stay away from roadside drainage. Don't attempt to clear culverts yourself, and stay away from catch basins and drain manholes, things of that nature. Give us a call if you do encounter things like that at 895-4735, extension 108 during business hours, or you can reach us through dispatch off business hours.
Thank you. Chief Salois, could you address the police emergency preparedness for this event?
I just wanted to underscore, if we reach the point where we need to close roads, that all residents obey all of our road closure signs. It creates a lot of problems for the emergency staff and public works to retrieve vehicles that are stuck in puddles. You really never know what's under the water. Some of the road surface could have been eroded. I just wanted to also touch base a little bit. It does look like right now trick-or-treat on Sunday evening will be a go. I'm sure there'll be more updates to follow, but in just looking at the current storm track, Sunday night it looks like there'll be some slight rain. As of this point, it's not anticipated to have heavy winds, so keeping our fingers crossed, trick-or-treat will be a go and will not have to be rescheduled. If there are any questions, you can call the dispatch center. If we're in the height of the storm, they'll be busy, but they may be able to take a few moments and direct you to where you need to call. But that's pretty much all that I have right now.
Thank you, Chief. Just to underscore a couple of points that have been made. Please look out for your neighbors. Stay in contact with one another. If you have an elderly neighbor or an elderly resident that might get confused regarding this, please reach out and provide assistance to them. Chief Pratt will stay in touch with the State Emergency Preparedness Office. Conferences will be held daily at noontime over the next 2 days, and as this event progresses, we will be making further announcements. You can also look on Channel 22 as well as the website for any updates of the storm. Additionally, we will probably be using the code 9, the reverse 911, to notify all residents in case of any potential emergency that happens in the near future. Once again, thank you for your cooperation. Be safe, and emergency personnel are here to assist you. Thank you.